Hey, it's Matt from Roughhouse Studios, and welcome to the Blazing Gear review of the Prism Cartridge Vaporizer. I would like to thank the guys at Vellex for setting up and sponsoring this review. If you'd like to learn more about this product or their other products, please visit vellextech.com. Now let's get started. Here's what comes in the box. You get the tiny little Vellex Prism Vaporizer itself, a charging cord. You also get two different size cartridges, as well as instruction manuals and the little magnetic connectors. Now let's take a closer look at the really cool little Prism Vaporizer. I really like the shape and design. The angular shape is really cool, tiny size. And you see it has a micro USB charging port there. And then there's one single button that's sort of molded into the side of the device there on the side. Really cool looking. Nice embossed logo, Vellex there on the bottom. And the bottom of the device is smooth. There's no way to get into it or open it. In the side of it, there is the little port, and the top has the fitting where you drop in your cartridges. You can see it slides in there. And that little port on the side lets you see the level of the oil inside of your cartridge. And the cartridges that come with it are two sizes, a milliliter and a half milliliter. And then you also have the little screw-on adapters that will magnetize the cartridge and let you fit it into the cartridge hole there and fit in place. All right, now we're going to take a look at the functions and features. First, we're going to charge it up. I have one that's already charged up. When it's fully charged, it shows green light there. And then when it's charging, the light is red, and it'll pulse to let you know that it's charging. And then it's solid green once it's fully charged. All right, we've got one charged up and ready to go. Like most vaporizers, you turn it on with 5 clicks. Cool little green light comes on just to let you know that it powered on. And then you cycle through the 3 different temperature settings with 3 clicks each. And you can notice that the lights are very similar in color, so sometimes it's kind of hard to tell which color you're working on. But it's blue, light blue, and a purple. And you see whenever you put a cartridge in there, it lights up a couple of times to let you know that the cartridge is connected. And then when you're connected, you'll be able to actually hold down the button to get a hit off of it. You press it twice, and it has this cool little preheat mode. And it'll just preheat the coils a little bit in there so that you don't get that little bubbling sound or whatever when you first hit it. And then another really cool feature, if you click it 4 times, it'll go to this mode that is a tank heating mode. And for a minute, it puts really, really low temperature on your tank so it'll melt those thick oils and let it run down into the coils before you use it. Really cool features there on the dual heating modes. And then you cut it off with 5 clicks. And now we're going to jump into the usage and testing, my favorite part. And I always like to make my own e-juice out of rosin and then use a wax liquidizer or something like that to make it myself, so I know what I'm getting. So I've made us some e-juice and filled up the cartridges here. These cartridges are really cool. They're ceramic on the inside. They have an innovative honeycomb shape there on the inside of it around the coil, and I'm really interested in checking that out and seeing how it works. They're really good, high quality feeling cartridges with the ceramic tips on them. I like that. So I've got one filled up here and we're going to test it out. And man, I tell you what, this thing gets one of the biggest hits off of any of these type of vaporizers I've tried in a while. I'm going to chalk that up to those really cool coils. Great taste, and man, I'm telling you, big old puffs. And unlike a lot of vaporizers, the puffs continue up even after multiple sessions. It's still getting big hits, so I like that. So let's get to the results and scoring. The pros are it's beautiful and stealthy design. I love the shape. It gives those 2 excellent 510 tanks that are provided. Those tanks are designed for thicker oils, like THC oils, great. Those dual preheat modes are neat, and it has those 3 temperature settings. The cons are the battery's a little light with only 500 milliamps, understandable for such a small vaporizer, but it's also really hard to see the difference in colors of the LED lights. For that reason alone, I'm taking off a half a star, but 4.5 stars, awesome little vaporizer from Vellex. Again, I'd like to thank those guys for sending it out and for sponsoring this review. Check them out at vellextech.com, and you can find out about their other products and more details about this one. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Vellex Prism. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to roughhousestudios.com for more cannabis culture videos made just for you. This is Matt from Roughhouse Studios. Thanks for watching.